If you're trading zero DTE options on the SPY, the SPX, or any of the Mag 7 stocks, you know just how fast these things can move. One good trade can nearly double your account, and then one bad trade can almost wipe you out. So I wanted to start a challenge. I wanted to use my new Sniper Pro system and start with a $1,000 cash account and see how long it would take me to 10x that account using just 0 DTE and sometimes 1 DTE options to scalp my way to 10xing that account. And what I was able to do in 3 short months is to over 10x that account. And I've taken that from $1,000 to $15,000, taking little base hits using the Sniper Pro system and scalping my way to massive profits every single day. So in this video, I'm going to show you the indicators that make up the Sniper Pro system and some of the trades that I did to get there. And we can talk about all of the things that sort of make up this new system and how you can get access to these indicators. So the first thing we want to do with the Sniper Pro system is look at the components that make it up. The key components that make up the Pro system are the gamma exposure levels here, as you can see on the chart. I use the call resistance, zero gamma, put support, and absolute gamma, and a couple of other ancillary gamma levels on the SPX to find areas of support and resistance and areas in which the market might gravitate towards that act as magnets. These SPX levels are updated every single day, 2 times a day, once before the market opens, and again at about 1:30 Eastern time. And I use these as I trade and make trades as support and resistance levels where the market is going to change direction because market makers are hedging. The second major indicator is the Sniper Pro indicator you see down on the bottom of the chart. This gives us buy and sell signals in an oversold or an overbought environment. This is basically a MACD crossover and RSI combo indicator. And we'll get into how that works there in a second. And then finally, the VOLD indicator, which helps us check market breadth. If the VOLD is above or below these red lines, we could be in a trend up or we could be in a trend down environment. And that's very important because you don't want to step in front of a trade where you're trying to get a reversal on something and you get caught because you're in a trend up environment. You keep trying to trade reversals. That's a great way to get stopped out. Now, some of the things I do with this system also include figuring out what's going on in the background of the market, so we don't also step in front of trades that are just not timed quite right. And the first thing is over here on the right side of the chart is the ticks that gives real-time buying and selling in the market. And then below that is the VIX, and this is a fear index. And so conversely, when the VIX is going up, there's more fear, there's more volatility in the market. So usually things are drifting down when the VIX is going up, and vice versa. When the VIX is going down, things are usually going up, or there's positivity in the market and there's buying. So if the VIX is going up and the ticks are really, really low, that means we're probably plummeting in the market, and I don't want to step in front of a moving train, as I like to say, or a falling knife, and try and buy a reversal for a move back up when those conditions are in play, and vice versa. I don't want to try and short the market when the VIX is way down here and falling, and the ticks are sitting up above 600, sometimes 900. I don't want to try and step in front of that. I want to be able to go with the market trend. So those are the 3 major indicators that make up the system. And I'm going to show you kind of how I use those to make trades and how I scalp out these 0 DTE options. So a trade from earlier today, you can see price was coming into this put support level at 66.90. And I thought we were going to have a bounce. So I was watching for price to come into that level here, right? Price comes into that level there. And at the same time, I'm waiting to see if we get a Sniper Pro signal, a buy signal there, along with a histogram color change as confirmation. And we got both of those, and I was able to ride this move up for about 35%, right? So I took that up through the VWAP level and into this 6720 area and took that off for about 35%. So this was using 0 DTE options on the SPY. This is the SPX chart, but the SPY, you can also buy multiple contracts of that. One SPX is worth 10 SPY contracts. So if you don't want to play with as much size, and today I did not, because as you can see, we weren't going very far today. We were just sort of ranging around. So I was playing a little bit smaller. So I had a couple of SPY contracts, and we were in and out of this in 9 minutes for 35%. And so this is what I call a base hit, right? So if you make 5 to 10 of these base hits every day, you can really grow your account like I did. Over 10x'd it in under 3 months. And using these sort of hidden gamma exposure levels, which you get with the Sniper Pro system, and the buy and sell signals on the Sniper Pro indicator, you can time these entries and really get these quick 5 to 10 minute trades, 35, sometimes 50%. Occasionally we get 100%. And really that just stacks up and helps build the account. If we take a moment to look at my actual trade logs, you can see that back on December 10th, we started with $1,000 and we were taking just little base hits, SPY calls, SPY puts, one contract, risking about $171 per trade, $211 per trade. But we're taking these little hits, right? Making $35, $28, $37. But the percentages start to add up. You know, we have a 42% here throughout the course of the day. And you're moving your account growth each day by a pretty significant amount. If you're playing with about 10% usage per, per trade. And this just continues to add up and add up and add up. Occasionally there's a losing day, but for the most part, these are all winning days. I think our overall trade win rate is about 75 to 80%. And the average account growth per day is about 6.2% over the course of the 3 months. So that's nothing sexy. These are just little base hits, scalping, 0 DTE options, SPY, SPX, any of the Mag 7 stocks, and we're just moving things along. So if you're interested in trading 0 DTE with me using the Sniper Pro system, there's a link down below in the description to sign up and get more information, access to the Discord link. With that, you get the SPX gamma exposure levels, the Sniper Pro system indicator. You get access to the Vold indicator. I will send you this chart here with both the ticks and the VIX. And very soon, we are also adding the gamma exposure levels for all the Mag 7 stocks. So right now, you're just getting the SPX, but very shortly here, about the middle of March, we're going to add in all of the Mag 7 stocks with gamma exposure as well, because they also have 0 DTE and 1 DTE options now. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are 0 DTE days for the Mag 7s. That's Amazon, Apple, Google, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta. And we trade those as well. If you look at my trade logs, you'll see that later in the process of that 3 months, I was doing a lot more with the Mag 7s because the SPX was kind of just trending around during the day. So if you'd like to join me in that, click the link below. You get a 7-day free trial if you sign up. You can test it out. You can get access to the Discord and all the training materials. And you can get in there and really see how effective it is. Look forward to seeing you in there, and take care, everyone.